Hi there, welcome back to our channel. If you love making the most out of your purchases, then you are in the right place. Today we are diving into a topic that can help you unlock some amazing rewards without spending extra money. Using your Metrobank credit card points. Stick around as we explore how you can check, redeem, and maximize your points for some fantastic perks. Check your Metrobank credit card points. First things first, let's check how many points you have got. Here's how you can easily view your Metrocard points. Metrobank online portal. Head over to the Metrobank website and log into your account. Navigate to the reward section where you will find your accumulated points right there. You also have a mobile phone, right? You can check it from your mobile app. If you're on the go, the Metrobank mobile app is your friend. Simply open the app, sign in and tap on rewards to see your points balance. Monthly statements. Don't forget, your points are also listed on your monthly credit card statement. So keep an eye on those emails or printed statements. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Redeeming your points. Metrobank offers a variety of ways to turn those points into valuable rewards, like gift certificates. Use your points to get gift certificates from your favorite stores, restaurants, or even from travel bookings. Perfect for those who love shopping or dining out. Airline miles. Planning a trip? Convert your points into airline miles and get closer to your dream destination sooner. Cash credit. Need a budget boost? You can also convert your points into cash credit, which can be applied to your outstanding balance. Online catalog. Browse Metrobank's online rewards catalog for an extensive list of products and services you can choose from. For maximizing your points. To make the most out of your Metrobank credit card points, here are some handy tips. Use your card for everyday purchases. The more you use your card for daily expenses, the most points you will earn. Just be sure to pay off your balance to avoid interest fees. Take advantage of promos. Keep an eye out for special promotions that offer bonus points on specific purchases or during certain times of the year. Plan large purchases. Consider using your card for big ticket items to rank up points quickly, but always spend within your means. And there you have it. A simple guide to unlocking the full potential of your Metrobank credit card points. Whether it's a free meal, a discount trip, or just some extra cash in your pocket, those points are there to reward you. So start checking, redeeming, and enjoying the perks today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips and tricks to save big. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.